Hey, what's going on YouTube? What's going on? Good morning. It's a beautiful day in Miami, Florida. The sun is up, the sun is out, and guess what we got? We got a new bike alert. We got a Yamaha R1 2007. I just picked this up last night. I'll give you a little walk around. Tires are good, stock exhaust, pretty much stock. The person lost the key, so I'll be taking this to the shop right now to get a key. The front tires are good. So this is an overall glimpse of the bike. You know Tony, once I get this bike up and running, I'm gonna have it pretty looking. So fairings are pretty good. They just replaced the fairings, so fairings are pretty good, intact. No dents, no scratches like that on it. So I'm kind of excited that I got some good fairings. So this is the overall bike. I'm working on it right now, as you can see. I got it for a really good price. If I tell you how much I got it for, you would not believe me. So I did not go to the gym today because I wanted to work on this. The gym could wait. So working on this bike, and once I get it up and running, I'll let you guys know. So new bike alert. All right, YouTube, we just came from the locksmith. So here's my triple tree that was locked. And this pin right here was stuck on the side of the frame. And I didn't want to break it, or I didn't want to mess it up, so I carefully managed to take that out. The locksmith says a few pins in here was messed up and he fixed it. So take the key, boom, lock turns on, off, and ignition. So we got the lock fixed. Instead of ordering a part on eBay, which was $119, I got that, plus I got 3 keys made just to be on the safe side. So we're gonna mount this up, put the battery on, and we're gonna start her up. All right.